So you want a wireless meat thermometer, one you stick in the meat, walk away, and your phone tells you when it's done. No wires, no babysitting the grill, no cutting into your steak to guess if it's ready. Sounds simple, but the market right now is flooded with these things, and a lot of them just aren't worth the money. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 wireless meat thermometers on Amazon right now, and telling you exactly which one deserves your cash. All 5 links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5. Don't sleep on this one just because it's last. The ThermoPro TempSpike Plus is the pick for anyone who just wants something that works with zero setup friction. Most wireless thermometers make you download an app, create an account, connect to Wi-Fi, go through a whole pairing ritual before you can even read a temperature. ThermoPro skipped all of that. The TempSpike Plus comes already Bluetooth paired right out of the box. Open the packaging and it's ready. No account, no setup, just done. For a gift, for someone who hates fussing with tech, this is that thermometer. Range is 600 feet on Bluetooth 5.2. 2 color-coded probes are included so you can track 2 cuts at once. The LCD booster shows live temperatures without you touching your phone at all. Super handy when you're busy prepping sides. Probes are IP67 waterproof with a zirconia ceramic head rated to 1050 degrees Fahrenheit, handles high heat and sous vide, and they're dishwasher safe. Battery runs 30 plus hours on a full charge. It is Bluetooth only, so remote monitoring from across town isn't happening. But for everyday backyard cooking, it nails everything you need at the best price in this list. Pros: zero setup, prepared and ready out of box. LCD booster shows temps without opening your phone. 2 color-coded probes included. Most affordable option in this list. Cons: Bluetooth only, no Wi-Fi for truly remote monitoring. No smart cook time prediction. Number 4, the Typhur Sync Gold Gen 2, and this one has a technical reason to exist that the others simply don't. Every thermometer here uses Bluetooth to connect. Typhur uses sub-1 GHz technology, which is 10 times stronger than standard Bluetooth. It punches through things that kill Bluetooth dead. Kamado, ceramic shells, thick smoker walls, Dutch ovens, brick walls inside your house. If you've ever had a wireless thermometer drop signal mid-cook with the lid closed, Typhur built this thing to solve exactly that problem. Each probe has 6 sensors, 5 internal plus 1 ambient. MEATER certified to plus or minus half a degree Fahrenheit. Probes handle up to 932 degrees, are IPX8 waterproof and dishwasher safe. 2 probes come standard. The base has a standalone LCD display for checking temps without your phone, and Wi-Fi layers on top for full remote monitoring. Battery is 24 plus hours, with a 2-minute charge getting you a 2-hour cook. The app isn't as deep as MEATER's since Typhur is newer, but for the signal stability problem inside closed cookers, nothing here comes close. Pros: sub-1G signal is 10x stronger than standard Bluetooth. Penetrates Kamados, smokers, and thick walls reliably. LCD-based display check temps without your phone. MEATER certified accuracy plus or minus half a degree. Cons: app and recipe ecosystem still catching up. Pricier than the ThermoPro option. Number 3, the MEATER Pro. Quick note: this was called the MEATER 2 Plus in older reviews. Same hardware, MEATER just renamed it when the Pro XL launched. 5 internal sensors reading simultaneously to find the true lowest temperature inside your meat. Accuracy is certified at plus or minus half a degree Fahrenheit through a 3-point calibration, and every unit ships with an actual calibration certificate. Not a marketing claim, there's documentation behind it. Bluetooth range is 250 feet in a typical home, 2,500 feet open air. No built-in Wi-Fi, but unlimited range is available through MEATER Cloud via a secondary device. For most home cooks, 250 feet is more than enough. The battery situation here is genuinely smart and underrated. The charging dock runs on a single AAA battery for up to 2 years with regular weekly use. 5 minutes of charge gets you a 2-hour cook. 30 minutes gives you 24 plus hours. You never plug this thing into an outlet. No USB cable, no charging hub. For people who always forget to charge things, that's a real advantage. Fully waterproof, sous vide, deep frying, and dishwasher safe. The MEATER app is excellent. Single probe, certified accuracy, no charging cables. Practical and clean. Pros: 5 sensors, certified plus or minus half a degree. Calibration certificate included documented accuracy. A battery powers dock for up to 2 years. Waterproof sous vide, deep fry, dishwasher safe. Cons: single probe can't track 2 proteins at once. Bluetooth only, no built-in Wi-Fi. Number 2, the MEATER Pro XL. 4 probes in the box. So if you've got a brisket, ribs, a whole chicken, and pork tenderloin all running at once, which anyone with a smoker has done, you're monitoring all 4 from your phone at the same time. Each probe has 6 sensors, 5 internal and 1 ambient, using smart temp technology to find the true lowest temperature of each protein. Accuracy is plus or minus half a degree, probes professionally calibrated. Built-in Wi-Fi connects to MEATER Cloud for unlimited monitoring range. The charger dock has an OLED display so you can read temps without touching your phone. 5 minutes of charge for a 2-hour cook, 30 minutes for a full 24 hours. All 4 probes are fully waterproof. Deep frying, sous vide, dishwasher safe. The MEATER app is polished. Guided cook system, estimated rest times, push notifications, recipes. It's genuinely well-built software, which matters a lot here. It's the most expensive option in this list, but if you regularly cook for a group and want the best multi-probe wireless system available, this is it. Pros: 4 probes cook and track 4 proteins at once. 6 sensors per probe with smart temp technology. Built-in Wi-Fi for unlimited range monitoring. OLED display on charger, no phone needed. Cons: most expensive option in the list. Needs Wi-Fi for unlimited range. Number 1. The Chef IQ Sense 2025 Gen 3. MEATER has owned this space for years, but Chef IQ came in with this generation and matched or beat them on almost every spec that matters for everyday cooking. Gen 3 runs on a Wi-Fi 6 chip, faster and more stable. Probe updates every 1.5 seconds instead of 3, meaning more responsive alerts. Unlimited range over your home network. 5 sensors per probe, 4 internal, 1 ambient, for accuracy within 1 degree Fahrenheit. Rated to 1000 degrees with an ultra-thin probe that keeps proteins intact and locks in juices. Probe battery life is 70 hours on a full charge. A brisket smoke runs 12 to 16 hours. You could run 4 or 5 of those back to back without charging the probe once. That battery life is a genuine edge over everything else in this list. The Smart Hub has a built-in speaker for audio alerts, flip reminders, pull notifications, rest timers, all without touching your phone. The Chef IQ app has hundreds of presets, USDA-approved doneness guides, and video recipes. Probes are waterproof and dishwasher safe, available in 1, 2, 3, or 4 probe configs. It requires the app to operate, no fully standalone mode, and it's not cheap. But as a complete wireless cooking package, the 2025 Gen 3 is the best option on Amazon right now. Pros: Wi-Fi 6 unlimited monitoring range from anywhere. 70-hour probe battery, massive edge over competitors. Smart hub with built-in speaker for audio alerts. 5 sensors per probe, 1000 degree heat resistance. Cons: fully app dependent, no standalone display. Premium price tag. Let's break it down quickly. If I had to pick one overall winner, it's the Chef IQ Sense 2025 Gen 3. Wi-Fi range, 5 sensors, 70-hour battery, smart hub with audio alerts, and it's available in multi-probe configurations. It's just the most complete package right now, and it beats MEATER at their own game in a few key areas. For multi-probe cooks, the MEATER Pro XL wins. 4 probes, Wi-Fi connected, top-tier accuracy, waterproof. It's the best option if you're regularly feeding a crowd. For the minimalist who wants accuracy without charging, MEATER Pro. 6 sensors, AAA battery, 2 years, done. For the connectivity problem solver, Typhur Sync Gold. Sub 1G signal through anything. And for the no-fuss beginner or gift buyer, ThermoPro TempSpike Plus. Cheapest, easiest, still really good. Hopefully this helped you actually decide instead of just adding 5 things to your Amazon cart and forgetting about them. All the links are in the description. Prices move around, so definitely check current deals before you buy. Thanks for watching, and go cook something good.